For today's menu, I'm going to show you how to whip up a killer fried chicken sandwich topped with a chili crunch infused honey that's loaded with umami flavors and adds just the right amount of mild heat. Ingredients are in my description box as always. Now let's dive into the kitchen. First up, you need to prep out the chicken patties, so using a breast, slice it on an angle, and depending on the size, you may get 2 or 3 portions out of it. For the thickest part of the breast, you're going to use the back of your knife to break it down a bit, then cover it with plastic and pound it out until it's about a 1/4 inch thick or so. Just be careful to not split the meat as you pound it out, otherwise it will fall apart during the dredging process. Next, you're going to add sour cream, salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and milk to a mixing bowl and give it a solid whisk. Place the chicken patties into the mixture and let that sit for at least 30 minutes. After that, you're going to season your dredging flour with the same exact mix of dry spices and give that a whisk until it's thoroughly combined. Once that's all ready to go, you're going to dredge the chicken into the seasoned flour on both sides and make sure to give it a really good squeeze with your dredging hand in order to create a really nice flaky texture on the surface. Once all the chicken has been coated, I like to sprinkle a little bit more of the wet seasoning over the top with another little sprinkling of seasoned flour for an additional layer of crispy flakes to develop. Then let these sit for 20 minutes before frying. While you're waiting on all that, you're going to pick some fresh rosemary and give it a really good chop. Just make sure not to mince it, otherwise it tends to turn black. For the chili crunch infused honey, you're going to add your honey to a small bowl and add in a few spoons of your favorite chili crunch product. I received this product from David Chang's Momofuku recently, and it is quite special to say the least. Just give this a really good mix and it's ready to go. This is also a really good time to toast up the brioche buns in your oven that's set to broil. Just make sure you keep a really good watch on them so they don't burn. It can happen pretty quick. Now it's time to fry up the chicken. Your oil should be at the 325°F mark, and you're gonna fry up the chicken for around 5 to 7 minutes depending on the thickness of each piece. You'll know that the chicken is done when it's a solid golden brown color. You can go a tad darker, but this is about what you want it to look like. As soon as you transfer it to a cooling rack, hit it with a sprinkle of salt and the chopped rosemary, and this is ready to assemble. Now, I like to spread a thin layer of mayo on both sides of the toasted bun, then a solid base of crunchy dill pickles. Place the fried chicken down, then top that with a few drizzles of the chili crunch honey, and this sandwich is ready to enjoy. Now that I live in Middle Tennessee, a good fried chicken sandwich is not hard to find, but this one, if executed correctly, is very, very special. Plus, it's pretty dang simple to put together. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Also, drop a comment letting me know your thoughts on it. If you like the recipes on this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and as always, stay creative in the kitchen. I'll see you guys soon with another recipe. Later, folks.